Gangster cult assembled in the recording studio in late 1976 for a session with famed producer Bruce Dickinson. And luckily for us, the cameras were rolling.
All right, guys, I think we're ready to do this first take. By the way, my name is Bruce Dickinson. Yes, the Bruce Dickinson. And fellas, I gotta tell you, you have got what appears to be a dynamite sound.
Coming from you, Bruce, that means a lot.
Yeah, I mean, you're Bruce Dickinson.
This is incredible. I can't believe Bruce Dickinson digs our sound.
Easy, guys, easy. I put my pants on just like the rest of you, one leg at a time. Except, once my pants are on, I make gold records. All right. Don't fear the Reaper. Take one.
All right. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Guys, we just wasted a great track. What's going on?
Well, I just find that Gene's cowbell playing is quite distracting.
It was sounding great, but Gene, I could have used a little more cowbell. So Gene,
Yeah,
really explore the studio space this time.
you got it.
I mean, explore the space. I like what I'm hearing.
All right, take 2.
It was even better than the first one.
Okay, is it just me, or is that cowbell playing really annoying?
Nah, it's pretty rough.
Well, I can pull it back a little if you like.
Well, not too much though, because I'm telling you, fellas, you're gonna want that cowbell on the track.
Well, let's just do the thing.
All right, take 3.
And if Bruce Dickinson wants more cowbell, we should probably give him more cowbell.
Say it.
And Bobby, you're right, I am being selfish. And I'd be doing myself service and every member of this band if I didn't perform the heck out of this.
Say it. I got a fever, and the only prescription is more cowbell.
I think I'll just leave and
Wait, stay.
cowbell.
How about you lay down that recording with us right now, together?
You mean that, Eric?
Speaks for all. Before we're done here, y'all gonna be wearing gold-plated diapers. Never question Bruce Dickinson. Go.
Take 4,000.
Don't fear the reaper,
Special thanks to our drum instructor, Carl Godding, playing on that track. Let's give it up for Moo on the fish. All right, we're going to call them all up here to take a curtain call.